Going.
The CBeebies bugs are all asleep. But now it's time to wake them up! Get set, go! Remember to stay seated and keep your hands, arms and legs inside the bugmobile.
There's so much to do here at CBeebies Land. Down below is the Something Special sensory garden where you can look for the things in Mr. Tumble's spotty bag. Can you see what's ahead?
Later.
It's the CBeebies house!
CBeebies Land.
The bugs are all fast asleep. Shout and clap as loud as you can to wake up the bugs. Wake up, bugs! Wake up! Well done, everyone. The bugs are wide awake, so let's go on our way.
What can you see? I can see all of CBeebies Land. Can you see Upsy Daisy? Why don't we give her away? Hello, Upsy Daisy! She's in the night garden with her friends, Iggle, Figgle, Macker. What else can you see? There's Ozzy Pat.
I made a mistake and mixed up all the parcels for Greendale. Would you like to come and join my special delivery service? That would be great. I'll see you later.
Can you see the CBeebies bugs painting some pictures?
Yeah.
What do you think they're painting? What sorts of things do you like to paint?
Flowers.
The CBeebies bugs help to look after everything that goes on in CBeebies Land. I wonder what they'll get up to next.
Daddy, what is this? It's going to be Is that where we're going next?
Yeah.
Is that where we're going next?
Yeah.
Let's jump up into that.
Hooray! The bugs topped up our bookmobile. Thank you, bugs. We hope you had a great journey ride in the bookmobile. There's lots more to see out in CBeebies Land. The big fun showtime area. You can meet some of your favourite CBeebies friends. Like Dougie, Bing, Little Piggle, and Upsy Daisy.
Where are we going next?
That garden area.
What garden area?
The Something Special
Oh,
sensory
look!
garden.
This bug has had so much fun. He's tired out.
6 an hour
Thank you for helping us to wake the
Okay, we're doing it
CBeebies
later.
bugs. You did a great job.